Welcome back. Today we are going to start SEO module. We already discussed about the Google algorithm and how it works and the spiders and everything we discussed in the introduction part itself. Okay, we know how Google algorithm works and why we need SEO. Why SEO is important for our website. Let's discuss that part in this video. For example, how many of you clicked on the second page when you search for something in the Google? Tell me frankly. No one will go to the second page. For example, here I try to search for digital marketing training, and this is the first page. And if you go down, you will be seeing 10 pages. Nobody will click the second page also. That is for sure. So, the same way, the SEO means it will help to bring your website to the first page of the Google. So that is the SEO. For example, if you are trying to search for photographers in Delhi or website designers near me, gym near me, and good laptops for the students in Odisha or something like that, if you are searching, and if your website is giving this type of services or product, if you do the actual SEO, correct SEO, and Google will show your website in the first page and top results of the Google. And people trust the Google. So then you will get the lot of traffic and the sales will go and you can able to generate the revenues. Another real-time example. There are two shops. Shop A, that is on the provisional provisions shop, and it is on the main road and it is very much visible to everyone and big board, clearly visible, all the products also visible. And because it is a main road, whoever want to purchase anything, even they are new to that area, they can easily see that shop and they can easily go and purchase that thing. And right side is another shop. It is interior of one area in a corner of a lane. There is no board, and who will purchase in that from that shop? The people who are in and around in that area. Few people. Now tell me which shop will have good sales? Obviously, first shop, because it is very much visible to everyone. The same way, SEO is like a tool to bring your website to the main road of the internet. It is the way to bring your website to the main road of the internet. So people will see, everybody, new people, new visitors, everybody can see your website. Lots of sales happen and you will get the revenues, as simple as it is. Another example. In your mobile, you have 1000 photos, 300 apps, and 500 WhatsApp message, but you can easily check all those things. Whatever you want in your phone, you can easily select that app and you can easily do that thing, because everything is well organized in your phone. The same thing happens with the SEO. SEO will organize your website in a proper way to make your and your visitors work easy. SEO versus ads. Okay, why we should do SEO? We have ads, we can pay the amount to Google or we can pay the amount to Meta, and we can bring lot of traffic, right? I think you will be having that question. So we can pay some amount, 10,000, 30,000, 40,000, something, some amount. Again, we can bring traffic. We are going to learn that paid part also later in upcoming modules. Then why we need to go for SEO? Why we need to do lot of work? Clear example is ads are like a rented house. Till you pay the amount, you will be there. If you don't pay, you need to go out. You can't stay there, right? And SEO is like a own house. It may be slow, it may take time to build that house. Once it is complete, no rent, no extra headaches, long time benefits, as simple as it is. Okay, SEO works even when you sleep. For example, someone is searching for some services or uh, products which your website is offering, and you are sleeping. at midnight, 2:30 or 2 o'clock. The SEO helps to show your website in the top of the Google even when you are sleeping. SEO is that type of powerful, that much powerful tool. And SEO will not bring the random audience. Means, for example, your website is showing for laptops, you are selling laptops, and your website is about laptops, and it won't bring random people who are not interested, who are not going to buy the laptops. It will bring the right people at the right time. For example, if someone is searching for best laptops to purchase for the students, are nice good laptops for the students to buy for the student, means they are not for the time pass, they are searching to purchase that laptop. So SEO will bring that type of traffic to your website. It's a very powerful tool, and it will build the trust automatically. When people are searching for something and Google is showing that website, definitely we will trust the Google, right? And nowadays, if you want anything, before asking your parents, before asking your family members or even friends, you will trust Google. Okay, first you will search in the Google, then only you will go to the friends or family members or parents, right? So it will build some trust automatically on your website. So SEO is not a shortcut, it's a smart path. Though it will take some time. It doesn't make you famous overnight, but it makes you visible every day. And visibility is very, very important. That's what we are learning from starting, right? So, and not only in the digital world, in the real world, also visibility is very, very important. And SEO brings that visibility. And visibility is everything for any business. That's it. Let's meet in another video. Thank you.